Hello everyone. In this video, you will learn about exponential form and laws of exponents. After that, some examples related to laws of exponents. So let us start with exponential form. Definition is very clear. In earlier classes also you have studied about exponential form. Any number of the form a raised to power m is said to be in exponential form where a is any real number. Please be careful. A is any real number and m is any rational number. Means this can be any real number and this can be any rational number in 9th class. And some examples of exponential forms. 3 upon 2 raised to power minus 2. We can see this is 3 upon 2 rational number, means this is real also, and minus 2 is an integer, means it is rational also. Similarly, 25 over 64 raised to power 1 over 2. And this number is called base and this is called exponent, index or power. Similarly here this is base and this is called exponent, index or power. Now come to please laws of exponents. In 8th class also you have studied how to use laws of exponents. Let us take here first a raised to power m into a raised to power n. Now we know that when bases are same and the numbers are being multiplied, what should be done with the powers? Addition. How to write? Same base will be written once and powers will be added. I hope you remember this. Similarly here, in case of division, what should be done with the powers? Subtraction. Same base will be written once, a, and first power minus second power, m minus n. Now a raised to power m whole raised to power n. In this case powers will be multiplied. A raised to power m into n. Powers will be multiplied. Now next here, please see the difference in first and fourth law. Here we can see bases are same, but here powers are same. Now remember, when powers are same, common power is taken outside. So what I am going to do, I will take common power outside. And what is left inside? Because this power is taken outside, what is left here? Only a multiplied by here b, because common power has been taken outside. So it can also be written as ab whole raised to power m. Similarly here again common power will be taken outside. And what will be left inside? A upon b, because power is taken outside. Now one rule we have already learnt in 8th class, any number, any expression raised to power 0 is always equal to 1. Please understand these laws carefully because these will be used in exercise 1.6 in all the questions.